Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing in. Make sure you're using the Amazon account that will receive the funds. Once signed in, open the Redeem Gift Card page from Accounts and Lists. You need the 1416 character claim code from the card or email. Type it exactly, including hyphens if present. After entering the code, click Apply to add the value to your Amazon balance. This deposits the money into Amazon balance, which can be used for Amazon Pay purchases and checkouts immediately. Once done, go to your account and open Amazon Pay to confirm the updated balance. You'll see the gift card amount reflected as Amazon balance. Make sure the balance shows in the same currency and that your preferred shipping address is linked. If a merchant requires a payment method, keep a backup card on file. When you choose Amazon Pay at a merchant checkout, Amazon will apply the Amazon balance first, then use backup funding for any remaining amount, so verify both. To finish, choose Amazon Pay at the merchant checkout and confirm the payment. Amazon balance will be applied automatically. After payment, review your order confirmation and Amazon Pay transaction history to verify the gift card amount was used. If the code didn't work, make sure you entered it exactly, that the card matches your Amazon account region, and that the code hasn't already been redeemed. If problems persist, contact Amazon support with the claim code and purchase details for resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.